Hello, I'm Joe, Fleet Manager for Silchuk Transport, and today we're going to go over on how to slide the fifth wheel when it's stuck and how to release if it gets stuck. We have video on how to slide the fifth wheel. Now this one's going to be focusing on if it's stuck, some of the basics to get to that point. Now if it's not working that way and you tried moving around forward and backward a few times and it's really not moving, what you'll have to do is you have to disconnect trailer, check your pins and all that, and maybe tap around them or the air cylinder to get it to release. Now, fifth wheel stuck, it's not released. Two tools are going to be very handy for it: pry bar, some sort of bar, and a hammer. This one, as you look right into there, right here's the cylinder. Take your hammer, put this right on there. There's a big flat piece. Just tap on it. This one's out. It's kind of another way to tell if it's not in there out. Look at this spring. It's collapsed. It's not extended out. Same on the other side. You can hit that side as well to get it to release. You can see this point right here where it's been sliding. Same with over here. If you wanted, you can spray some WD-40 into there. That might help keep it loosened up, moving around. Now, if your slider's stuck, it won't slide on the slides here. What you can do with that, you're gonna go back and forth a couple times. You won't need the hammer for that. You can try wiggling around on it. Might be broken free. From there, you're gonna just push around the fifth wheel a lot. You're gonna go back and forth from side to side. Sometimes you get right in here, and you can get there too. Keep moving it. That's the best way. You're just gonna keep working it. Eventually, what you'll be able to do is, the fastest way is you can take your pry bar, like stick it right in here. Use the bolt as leverage and keep moving it backwards. Again, this one's moving, so it's a good way to get it to move if it's stuck. Again, wiggle and all that. All right? And thank you for watching this, and see you next time. Bye.